Hi friends, good evening. Welcome to SQL Master YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to discuss about ETL project architecture. Okay, so from start to end, how the ETL process will be going to process. Okay, what is the system? What is the exact system which is happening in ETL testing? So that point I am going to discuss with you in this video. So if you are not subscribed to SQL Master, kindly subscribe to SQL Master to get about ETL testing videos. Okay, so here we are discussing about ETL project architecture. So project architecture is same, but projects are different. Okay, so but basic architecture is same in all possible projects. So let's get started here. So the thing is, I am just taking this diagram. So where we are going to discuss about the project architecture. Okay, so here this is what the datas, crm erp datas and flat files and unstructured data. Okay, unstructured means data is not structured properly in a proper way. Okay, so these all are referred as the source files. Okay, the source files, and which are going to be uh, applying some business rules and store in data warehouse. So this is what the ETL process from here to here. This is what ETL process. Okay. So how it's doing? How its data is loading into the data warehouse? So there are some steps here. So CRM, ERP, database data and flat files and unstructured data all together mixed and just coming into here the landed folder, root folder, that is we are using here in this example ODS, operation data sources. Okay, so stages. So this is what all the data load here, and after this the data will move to staging layer, this one, where we just cleanse the data. Cleansing happen here. Okay, so in data staging layer, then after cleansing means what? Removing unwanted data, removing duplicate data. We have to reduce the redundancy. Okay, so null value checking or duplicate data removing, this all things or procedures will get happen here in staging layer. Then after this staging layer, data become clean and according to the client rules. Okay, so we have to apply here some business rules also. So then the data is loading into the data warehouse. Okay, we use here ETL tool like Informatica. Okay, so data we can load from these type of database files, flat files, and the unstructured files. Okay, PDF, Excel, all these type of data we can load into the Informatica, where we can apply some business rules, logics, applying some transformation here. Then we try to load those data after cleansing in data warehouse. So after data warehouse, the data in data warehouse, all the data is loaded. This data, okay, so is OLAP. Okay, so the this data is whatever present in data warehouse is OLAP. Only used this data for analysis purpose. Okay, so business analysis purpose. So you can observe from here to here, this is ETL process, and from here to here, this is BI, business intelligence work. So then after data warehouse, the data is going to load in data marts. You can see here different kinds of data marts, because in one organization we have finance department, we have HR department, we have manager department. Okay, so in different departments, data marts are there. Data marts means subject of data warehouse, small memory storage. So all these data from data warehouse load into the data marts. Then by using by accessing these data, whatever stored in data marts, we can generate the reports. Okay, so this reports is very helpful for the BI, business intelligence, who can observe the business up and downs here. Okay, so these are the reports. So this is what happening here. So based on the top of data marts or data warehouse, these business reports will get generated, and based upon these reports, BI business intelligence can come to know how the business is running. Then these data are moving to the end users. Okay, so this is what totally the ETL process. Okay, here this is complete ETL process concept here. What I am providing here by just explaining this diagram. Okay, so inside of this, there comes exist several of the procedure steps are there. So, but basic concept you must understood this one. Okay, so ETL concept up to here, this is ETL process, and here data marts will come, and here the business intelligence what they can do is observing these generated data reports, and they can come to know business up and downs. Then they provide data to the end users. Okay, so this is what end users means, customers or whatever that. So this is what the complete ETL process or concept what I am explaining here. So this is what the thing what I want to show you about ETL project architecture concept here in this video. So if you like this video, kindly like it and share it, and subscribe to SQL Master to get more videos about the ETL testing perspective. Okay, so thanks for watching this video, and I hope you understood this video completely, and I will be with you with some more new concept about ETL testing video concept. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, have a nice day friends, take care.